Hi, today we will go to figure out the selection you have on your Instagram, on your account. We will just click here on settings. Then we come here to next window here, like you say, settings window, and we will go down. We will click here on apps. Then we come to apps window here, like you say. We will just go down here to looking for Instagram app, and we will click here on Instagram. Then we come to next window here, like you say, app info. We will click here on for stop, then we will click here on OK, and just you will click here on storage, and you come to a storage window. You will click here on clear cache, then you will click here on clear data, and you just go to Play Store and update your Instagram app, and it's going to work with you. So that's all now. I wish you I get it now. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video about our Instagram settings.